We Health Life Limited Liability Company have been dedicated in the research, production and selling natural plant extracts since 2012. We aim to provide high-quality bioactive ingredients and solution for all customers in nutraceutical industries. We have got the complete quality system certification such as ISO, GMP, HACCP, FSSC 22000, kosher, halal, NOP, and EU organic certification. Our international leading R&D and quality control laboratory are equipped with professional teams responsible for everlasting production process and launching new products. From the source of raw materials to final product, we strictly perform under the GMP standard and ensure top quality. Setting up tracking management system to control every products at every stage of manufacturing process from arrival of raw material, storage, production, warehouse, and sales to ensure us to precisely trace all products within the supply chain. We have been working with third-party lab, Eurofins, SGS, Intertech, Mirio, and Bureau Veritas and test our ingredients completely to make sure the quality in 100% conformity to USP and EU standard. By establishing US company and US warehouse, we can guarantee 1 to 2 days fast delivery and offer flexible inventory solution. Meanwhile, to better serve our European partners, we're excited to announce the initiate establishment of our EU warehouse. With the mission of connecting humans through botanical extracts, combining tradition with innovation to create a healthier, happier, and better world. Also, we have OEM workshop. We could provide powders, blend powders, capsules, tablets, gummies with private label according our customers' requirements.